Good morning students, welcome back for this chapter period. We are going to start our next story, that is No Ordinary Soldier. What is the story name? No Ordinary Soldier. To Geeta, Jang Bahadur had always been very special. He was actually a very ordinary looking soldier doll. The character name, first character came in the story, the name of the girl is Geeta, and for that Geeta, Jang Bahadur was very special. And who was the Jang Bahadur? Jang Bahadur was a soldier-like looking doll. Geeta called him Jang Bahadur, and to her he was as brave as her father in the army. Geeta called him as a Jang Bahadur. He named that doll as a Jang Bahadur, and that Jang Bahadur was very special to Geeta because that doll was as brave as her father in the army. So from this line we come to know that Geeta's father is working in the army. Her father went away for long periods of time. It was his job as a soldier to keep watch on the country's borders. So what was his job? That father's job, he has to look for the enemies on the border as he was a army person. Geeta always looked forward to her father visits. So Geeta, as usual, Geeta always looking for her father to come back to visit her at home. It was one of these visits that Geeta gave Jang Bahadur to her father just before he left. And for one visit, Geeta's father came to meet Geeta one day for the one visit. And for that one visit, that Geeta gifted that Jang Bahadur, means that soldier doll, to her father as a gift. Her father was Lieutenant Colonel in the army. Here, the post of that person is given. From this sentence, we come to know that Geeta's father was Lieutenant Colonel in the army. He was tall and impressive with a thick mustache and a deep voice. From this sentence we come to know that what is the nature of that Geeta's father. Geeta's father was tall and impressive with thick mustache. Mustache means what? Hair on upper lip. Okay. And he was having deep voice. As he left, Geeta thought her father looked worried. He had just received orders to move with his soldiers to the glacier post that looked out over the enemy's soldier. After some time, that father, means Geeta's father, means that Lieutenant Colonel, received one order from his boss that they have to go towards the glacier post. Glacier post means a place where everywhere there is a ice. Okay. So they had posted towards the glacier post and they have to look for enemies over there, means over the glacier post. Geeta chewed her lip and thought. She held out Jang Bahadur to her father, asking him to take him along. So for that visit, Geeta gifted that Jang Bahadur to her father, and she said to father that, "Father, he will take care of you, and besides, this is something to remember me by," she said, sounding very seriously. So Geeta said her father by giving that Jang Bahadur to him that, "Father, that Jang Bahadur, means this soldier doll, will take care of you, and by looking towards that doll you will remember me." And she was sounding very serious because her father was leaving her. Lieutenant Colonel Sanjay Singh was in charge of an entire battalion, but he had father's heart. So what was the name of Geeta's father? Geeta's father name was Sanjay Singh, and he was Lieutenant Colonel in the army. So Lieutenant Colonel Sanjay Singh was in charge of whole battalion. Battalion means unit of that soldiers, and he was the head, or he was the in charge of that whole battalion. But he has obviously one father's heart. He was also upset by leaving his daughter alone in the home. He ruffled a little Geeta's hair and carefully packed the soldier doll in his bag. To ruffle means to make something untidy. So he ruffled the Geeta's hair and he carefully packed that Jang Bahadur into his bag. Then when the Lieutenant Colonel was alone in his bunker, he would look at a framed picture of Geeta and smiled at Jang Bahadur, who stood high on a makeshift table. So when he reached to the glacier post, there was having one bunker. Bunker means a strong house to protect that soldiers from the war. So he sat in the that bunker, means that room, and he was looking towards the Gita's photo and towards the Jang Bahadur. At all times he was aware of the danger. So he was very smart. That means that Colonel Sanjay Singh was very smart, and he was always aware about the danger. Aware means to knowing something. So far it had been safe. They had managed to keep ahead of the enemy. It seemed they were lucky, but that changed after a strange incident one night. They was lucky to go towards the glacier post. They all was managing everything, but one night one incident happened over there, and the whole incident, means the whole condition of that or whole situation was changed due to that one incident. So we will see what incident happened in one night. Lieutenant Colonel Sanjay Singh saw one of his guards trying hard to keep away. Okay, one night Sanjay Singh seen that one of the soldier was trying to asleep, but the lieutenant colonel ordered him to sleep and took over the post himself. But the Lieutenant Colonel Sanjay Singh stopped him and tell him that I will take your post and you go to sleep. He placed Jang Bahadur on the guard's seat, facing the Dal out forward towards the valley. They sat together in the silence. So that guard who was sleeping, he went to sleep, and the Jang Bahadur and the Lieutenant Colonel Sanjay Singh sat together in the silence. He quickly fell asleep, but a sudden noise awoke him. After some time, that Sanjay Singh was also got to sleep, but after some time, some sudden noise happened there, and he awoke. He shook himself awake and saw that Jang Bahadur had fallen off his seat and had made that noise. He sat that Jang Bahadur, or he kept that Jang Bahadur onto that guard seat or onto that one chair. But after some time, that Jang Bahadur fallen down onto the floor, and that due to that fallen down onto the ground, that sound happened, and that sound awoke that Colonel Sanjay Singh. Just as he was leaning over to put Jang Bahadur back in his chair, he saw a light in the valley below. It flashed once and then was gone. He knew something was wrong and raised an alarm. When the Jang Bahadur fell down on the ground, that Sanjay Singh, that Lieutenant Colonel Sanjay Singh, leaned back or leaned down to take that Jang Bahadur into his hands or into the seat back as the initial position. But when he was bending down towards the floor to catch that Jang Bahadur to the seat, he seen that something light, some kind of light is flashed into that valley. Then he knew that there was a danger, and that light was the sign of danger, and he raised one danger alarm. A few hours later, some enemy soldiers were caught crossing the border. Yes, actually there was a enemy soldiers crossing that border, so that's why the light was flashed. And due to that Jang Bahadur, that Sanjay Singh come to know that yes, there was a enemy soldiers over there crossing the borders. So after few hours, after raising the alarm, after few hours, that all the soldiers caught enemy soldiers crossing the border. The Lieutenant Colonel was praised for his quick thinking. So all the people in that battalion was praising to the Lieutenant Colonel Sanjay Singh for his quick thinking or quick decision. Looking back, he realized that he owed into another little soldier's help. But he was only thinking, or he was realized that due to Jang Bahadur only, I come to know that there was a light in the valley, and due to that Jang Bahadur, I taken the quick decision and I raised the alarm. So he only realized that, or he only recognized that. He means only Lieutenant Colonel Sanjay Singh realized that or recognized that due to Jang Bahadur's help, due to Jang Bahadur only, I come to know that there was a danger, and due to that I raised the alarm. Okay, so this is one part we have discussed here. This is how the Jang Bahadur helped to catch enemy soldiers to the Sanjay Singh. So for the next lecture or in the next video, we are going to continue the half part of the story. Have you understood, students? Thank you so much and thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.